Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Tinder login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Restart the Tinder app. First close the Tinder app completely, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle, then find Tinder in the app switcher, then swipe it up to close it completely. Now reopen the app and try login in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. Open Safari or YouTube and see if a page loads. If it does not, switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data, then try Tinder again. Step 3. Update the Tinder app. Now open the App Store, then tap on your profile, then tap on Apps. Scroll down to see available updates. If Tinder appears, tap Update. After the update, open Tinder and try logging in. Step 4. Restart your phone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn your phone back on. Once it restarts, open the Tinder again. Step 5. Check Tinder server status. If you still can't log in, the problem may be on Tinder's side. Open Safari and search Tinder server status. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they back online. And that's how you can fix Tinder login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.